Hello, welcome to another video. This time something quite special, I think. This is a lovely 1-inch scale Maxitrak agricultural traction engine, Burrell agricultural. This is one of the very early collectible ones. This is 98. This was built in 98. It's one of the early coal-fired ones that were manufactured in the UK. You could buy them ready built, you could buy them in a kit. This was built from a kit in 98. It has all its paperwork with it. It has its original Cheddar Models boiler certificate, original boiler manufacturer certificate. It's got its original Maxitrak invoice when it was bought, and it's also got its original Maxitrak coal-fired instruction manual, which includes its build manual and how to operate it, etc., etc. Now, it's an absolutely beautiful engine. It was built, as I say, in 98. It was completed that year, and it was steamed once. It was set up and steamed once on coal, obviously, just to make sure it all ran perfectly as it was supposed to. And then it was cleaned down and drained, and then subsequently stored in a glass cabinet for the next 24 years or whatever it was. So basically it's basically an as new little engine, very sought after now, being the proper UK manufactured ones. The later ones they started having produced by, I think it was Maxitrak in China. So this is a nice, beautiful little sought after coal-fired original UK one. So what we've done to it, so it's obviously not been run up for many years, and so what we've done, we've made a little fitting for it to go in through the good oil valve. The good oil valve goes into the top of the boiler, and that's where you top up the water in the boiler when it's in steam. So it's got a one-way valve. So we've taken that good oil valve out, and we've manufactured a new fitting to take some air. So we're just going to run it on air. We're not going to run it too long on air. It runs absolutely beautifully. We're not going to run it too long on air because obviously the cylinder's not getting any oil to it. So it's most important for long term that it's it does that. So it has oil to it. Right. Okay. So that is it. And that's running on about 20 psi. I mean, it's quite amazing. This is obviously very well set up valve-wise, etc., because it idles lovely, and normally these are a little bit all or nothing. If you ever watched the original Maxitrak videos, they're either just revving like hell or they're doing absolutely nothing. And this is actually very nice. So there we are. That's absolutely beautiful. So basically, as I say, it's a brand new model. It was steamed once, so obviously the original copper boiler is as new. It's completely airtight. It does what it's supposed to do, so it's safe to run and use. And this is, I mean, 20 psi. It runs absolutely lovely. If you were to ride behind it on a little trailer, you'd want more like 40 psi on it. But yeah, cracking little thing. Obviously that's running in reverse. Well, that is just beautiful. Anyway, there we are. So quick walk around it. It's obviously as new. It's got the little lanterns on it and the little coal shovel and all the little bits and bobs there that you could buy for it. but it's basically a new engine from 1998. Thank you for watching.